Look at those beautiful stacks of slabs. Have you ever had stacks of slabs knocked over and created a big old mess? Well, check out this Kubinec Strapping Solutions woven poly strapping. This strapping has 2,400 pound break strength and it just flat out works. Hi guys, Charles with KnottHead Custom Sewing, here to tell you about Kubinec Strapping Solutions woven poly strapping. This Kubinec strapping, guys, is woven poly, so it's more like a rope. It stretches and get it really tight. You can stretch it a little bit so it stays tight, keeps your slab packs nice and tight, nice and flat. We all want to cut slabs and keep them flat so that we get the best yield out of them when we go to sell them and be able to make the best quality products with the least amount of work. We've been using this strapping for strapping up our slabs, and it is working very, very good. That's why we are here telling you about it and how to use it. This Kubinec strapping, guys, is real simple to use. Wrap it around your logs. Loop it into the buckle. Put your ratchet handle in. Put your strap in. Start tightening it down. It even cuts it for you. We've teamed up with Kubinec Strapping Solutions to provide our viewers with the KnottHead Special. It includes the ratchet mechanism, strapping, and buckles. Comes with buckles. The buckles get used on the strapping to hold your stuff tight. And it comes with a small roll of the woven strapping. The woven strapping is not like standard plastic. It doesn't break too easy. It has a little bit of stretch to it, so it will do a pretty good job of keeping your slabs flat. And it's not like the metal stuff where it'll leave stains all over your slabs when you stack them up. The steel buckles come in a box of 1,000 or a box of 100. We've been using quite a few, so we got a box of 1,000. The strapping comes on a 1,650 foot roll. You can also get small rolls too, but we just ordered the big rolls. When you're putting your straps on, if you leave a longer tail on your starting side, that allows you to use this manual handle later on after your slabs have shrank a little bit to tighten the pack back up. And when you use the ratcheting handle, it cuts the one side short, so you have to leave a tail that's long enough so that you can wrap it around this part of the manual handle to be able to tighten them back up. Make sure when you call Kubinec Strapping Solutions you ask for the KnottHead Special. And check this out, try that with normal poly strapping. This stuff won't work. This Kubinec stuff keeps stuff together good. This stack of logs is the stack of logs that was toppled over in the beginning of the video. And as you can see, none of the logs came apart. They all stayed together. The strapping worked great, just like it was supposed to. All of our slabs stay way flatter than before we were using Kubinec strapping. It's just awesome stuff. If you've got a sawmill and you need strapping for your slabs, I encourage you to call Kubinec Strapping Solutions and ask them about the KnottHead Special, or you can get it on Amazon too. I'll leave an Amazon link that you can click on in the video description below. I want to thank you for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to you. Give us a thumbs up and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them.